Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to make Twitter, now X, account private. Go to your Twitter account using your web browser. On your Twitter dashboard, click on the three dot or more icon in the text bar. Then select Setting and Privacy. Here click on Privacy and Safety. After then, click on Audience, Media and Tagging. Select the box next to Protect your post to add a check mark. Click on Protect to confirm. This will make them visible only to your X followers. All done. Your tweets will now be hidden from those who don't follow you, and new followers will require approval. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to share this video. Till then, everyone stay well.